What's the meaning of cryptosporidium? Cryptosporidium. Cryptosporidium.
Cryptosporidium. Cryptosporidium. Cryptosporidium is a microscopic parasite that can cause gastrointestinal illness in humans and animals. It is commonly found in water sources such as streams, lakes, and swimming pools. The parasite can be transmitted through ingestion of contaminated water or food, or contact with infected animals or people. Symptoms of cryptosporidiosis typically include diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach cramps, and can last for up to 2 weeks. In severe cases, the infection can lead to dehydration and other complications, particularly in people with weakened immune systems. Effective prevention measures include practicing good hygiene and avoiding consumption of untreated water.